I think discounting is such a hot topic within the industry. Very valid feedback. A lot of brands are like, well, we don't really want to water down the value of our brand. Completely understand all the investment that you're making up front. But there's also this element of earning trust in an environment where the customer doesn't have a chance to meet you in person and is relying on you for access or replenishment or the curation. So how are you kind of showing up and saying, trust me, without that face-to-face interaction? And I think the thing that is nuanced here is that no two verticals alike. Like what works in meal kits does not work in beauty, and what works in beauty does not work in pet care. It's less that I would think of it as discounting and more what is it that you need to do to build trust.
And I do like the idea of giving a free gift with purchase versus a large discount. Because I think on a large discount, sometimes you get a lower quality consumer, meaning like they don't have as much discretionary income, they're more likely to churn. But then you get a percentage of them that like you get on the hook.
Right, and the value of that person that sticks is incredible.
You need to be part of the largest community of subscription innovators. For just $9 a month or $99 a year, not only do you get exclusive content, but you get access to the largest community of subscription innovators and leaders. If you've attended our events in the past or plan to come to one of our events in the future, joining SUBTA becomes a no-brainer, as all members get discounts on tickets. Join today at SUBTA.com.